Hello guys, so if you want to integrate Lovable with Visual Studio Code for seamless coding, here's exactly how to connect them. So firstly, you open up your Visual Studio Code editor and make sure that it's updated to the latest version so it supports extensions and API integrations. Then you need to install the Lovable extension for it, or you can do it the other way. But if you want to go with extension route, you can click the square icon on the left sidebar, or you can use a shortcut and search for Lovable and click install. Also, the other way to do this is you just go ahead to your all projects, and then, for example, you go ahead and download this project to your computer, and then you can import it with VSCode. So, for example, you can go ahead and open up your project. I will open this one, and then you can just connect it to GitHub like this. All right, connect this project, add organizations. Okay, you choose this. Any of the repositories and accounts you have. All right, verify identity here. Pretty simple. Okay, I verified, and now I have connected it. Press on continue. All right, and connect this and transfer anyway. All right, and now we have our repository. I'll copy the link to it, go to it, and now you can just go ahead and press on code, and then just download as zip like this. Download to your computer, export to VS Code, open it up, and you're good to go. Enjoy the guide. If you like our videos, don't forget to subscribe, and see you soon.